Hi, what's up guys? Today we will be unboxing the Extreme Pro SSD. So here it is, well and nice packaged, and to take this apart I will actually need a knife to cut the little plastics. After doing that I can simply open the box up. Where we can see the SSD at the first glance. I'll take that off. It actually has a peel on it that doesn't make a lot of sense from my point of view. They could have left that out for the environment. And here we have the safety instructions that we will put aside too. The last content of this package is actually the cable. That is a USB-C to USB-C cable with a small adapter from, again, USB-C to USB-A. Why that? Because most Windows laptops still use USB-A and it's really nice to have. Now there's still something that needs to be done, and that is to take the peel off from the SSD. Why have I bought this SSD? Because the SSD capacity of my laptop did not suffice for my Final Cut libraries that weighed over 100 gigs. Thanks so much for watching guys, and see you in the next one.